Harmful substances to the respiratory system. There are a total of 7 harmful substances to the respiratory system. They are tar, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, haze, dust, and pollen grains. Tar is a toxic substance found in cigarette smoke. Tar causes lung cancer. How it affects the lung is that it produces excess mucus and it kills the cells in the lungs. Carbon monoxide is found in cigarette smoke and the exhaust of a vehicle. It is a colorless and odorless gas. Carbon monoxide combines easily with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin, and this causes lack of oxygen in the body cells. Okay, as you can see here, the hemoglobin combines with oxygen and forms the oxyhemoglobin. So when the carbon monoxide combines with hemoglobin, it prevents the oxygen from combining to hemoglobin, which leads to lack of oxygen. Burning of fossil fuels at power station produces sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas with pungent smell. Sulfur dioxide causes coughing, breathing difficulties and bronchitis, and may also cause lung cancer. Nitrogen dioxide is a brown gas with pungent smell. It irritates the respiratory tract. It also causes coughing, breathing difficulties and asthma. Car exhaust fumes, forest fires and open burning produces haze and dust. Pollen grains released by anthers float into the air and are carried by wind to faraway places, and all these substances would irritate the respiratory tract and causes respiratory diseases such as asthma and all. All these harmful substances have been related to diseases of the respiratory system, like example asthma, bronchitis, emphysema and even lung cancer. First, we look at the asthma. Asthma is the inflammation of bronchioles. It occurs when there is exposure to dust, pollen grain, haze, cigarette smoke, vehicle exhaust, open burning and even forest fire. They can trigger the symptoms of asthma such as shortness of breath, difficulty in breathing and coughing. Next, the bronchitis. Bronchitis is the inflammation of the bronchus tubes, and the symptoms are usually chronic cough, shortness of breath and sleeping difficulties. Cigarette smoke contains tar and irritants which can cause this bronchitis. Next, we look at emphysema. Emphysema is a condition in which the alveoli are damaged. The symptoms of emphysema are difficulty in breathing, fatigue, and chest pains. Irritants in the cigarette smoke can cause emphysema. Next, lung cancer. Lung cancer occurs when there's an abnormal cells grow out of control in the lungs. Lung cancer is caused by carcinogenic substance such as tar, which is found in cigarette smokes. The symptoms of lung cancer are chest pain, chronic cough, and coughing up blood. Next is the effect of smoking on lungs. Smoking increases of risk of getting lung cancer. Cigarette smoke contains a few harmful substances such as tar, nicotine, and carbon monoxide. A non-smoker who inhales the cigarette smoke around him or her is said to be a passive smoker. The risk of the passive smoker to get respiratory diseases such as lung cancer can also increase depending on their exposure. What are the effects of cigarette smoke on the lungs? Okay, so there is tar, which in the cigarette smoke, it will blacken and damage the lung. Cigarette smoke is also acidic, which it ends up corroding the lungs, and the heat released by the cigarette smoke dry up the lungs.
Hi all, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can post it in the comment box and we will follow up. You can also post it in our FB page. Please share this to all your friends that you know. Like and subscribe upon your wish. Continue to support us always and thank you for your support.